What's up, tribe? This is Justin, Elevate Credit. Today is day 184. You are the ultimate creditor in this United States corporation. So, thank you guys for following this journey from day 0 to reuniting my wife and my son here in the U.S. We're talking credit repair, business funding, real estate investing, just taking that next step to achieve that next level of life. So, today we're talking about you. We, U.S. citizens, we are the ultimate creditor within this United States corporation. So, again, I've mentioned it before. The United States is a corporation, a for-profit corporation, as defined in the consumer laws. When you are born, you are assigned a Social Security number. It's just a tracking number. It's a number that they use to set up your estate. It's a number that they use to track your tax payments to the United States corporation. It's also the number that they use to grant you credit within this United States corporation. And what you have to understand is that you have an unlimited amount of credit you can tap. We are part of this United States corporation. We are the corporation. We are our own mini corporations. That's why when you look at any type of bill, credit card statement, bank statement, utilities bill, look at your name, it's spelled in caps, right? I don't know about you, I don't spell my name in caps. They spell your name in caps because they're referring to you as the corporation, not you as the consumer. That's why consumer law is so important. So, if we are these corporations and we have this, we can tap into this unlimited amount of credit with the Federal Reserve Bank, right? The Federal Reserve there's no limit on the spending. What's the national debt right now? 36 trillion. And they borrow from the Federal Reserve Bank. Notes, T-notes, bills, long-term notes, treasury notes. These are all created by the Federal Reserve, which has unlimited spending power. And the U.S. government can borrow from them. You know, if there's a limit, they'll just raise the limit. So, therefore, we as the corporations, our estates, our Social Security numbers, we also have unlimited borrowing potential, right? And that's the information that gets reported on our credit reports. But within consumer law, we have these rights, and these rights give us the ability and the right to choose what goes on our credit reports and what debt collectors can and cannot say to us. They can't call us. They're not allowed to contact us. If any of these guys are in violation, we have civil liability. We can ask for a remedy, $1,000 per violation. This is how deep this goes. And you and I, we have unlimited credit, right? We have unlimited credit because it's our money to begin with. At birth, we're given the Social Security number. We're given the keys to the kingdom. We can tap into this unlimited credit. We just don't know it, right? So when they lend us money, who's the lender? Aren't we the original creditor? Banks are borrowers. So if we go to a bank and ask for a loan, if the bank says they're the creditor, we're the original creditors. The bank borrowed from our Federal Reserve securities account to give to us, that's tied to our Social Security number, to give to us. That's why, in addition to, if you look at the top left-hand corner of your bills, it's in all caps, and look at the balance. The balance is positive. It's not negative. How can I owe something that's positive? How can I owe something that's positive, right? It's a gift. They're taking it from us as the original creditor, gifting it to us, and then asking us to pay it back. So we're paying it twice. That's how deep these consumer laws go. And if you read into them and you dive deep into them, that's how deep they go. You and I, we have unlimited credit. We are the original creditors. And a lot of people don't know that. So that's how powerful, but then you have to decide for when you're disputing utilizing consumer laws, you're the consumer. Remember that. So there's two different parts that you can play. The creditor, the original creditor, within this United States corporation, you're a state that's tied to your social security number, or the consumer law. You have to know which one that you need to play at which time, because you are both. That's how powerful this thing goes. So thank you guys for following. Remember to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment. It helps the algorithms. Check out the link. We have ebooks, e-courses, trade lines for sale, anything and everything you need to repair your own credit. If you're interested in one-on-one, we can do that as well. And of course, last but not least, to my son, Josiah's son, you are blessed, you are anointed. Remember to use credit responsibly, son, to your success. Salud.